Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. It's such a beautiful day. It feels like excitement is filled in the air. Is there any special occasion, Sanvi?
Yes, indeed. Today is Eid Al Adha. It's the second most important festival in Muslim religion. It is celebrated all across the world by every people with great enthusiasm.
Your prayers and sacrifices will never go unanswered. On this Eid Al Adha, embrace Allah's divine blessings that you have. On this thought, I, Anisha,
Hi, Sanvi.
of grade 8B, would like to wish you all a very happy Eid Al Adha.
Eid Al Adha, the feast of sacrifice, is the second most important festival in Islamic community. Eid Al Adha. Eid Al Adha, the feast of sacrifice, is the second most important festival celebrated in Islamic community.
So, to begin with, we have an illuminating speech about Eid Al Adha by Kritika Agrawal from grade 9.
Now let's welcome Aditya Thakur from grade 7B for the poem.
A beautiful poem. So now, for the thought of the day, I would like to call Tushar from grade 9.
Now, to fulfill the occasion with joy, let's welcome our choir team.
It was indeed a very melodious song. Now let's call out our dance team to fill this occasion with enjoyment.
Thank you. That was an extraordinary performance.
Now I would request you all to get ready for the national anthem.
फिर से बोलो ये मत करना अब तुम वापस बोलो बेटा लास्ट वाला
Now I would request you all to get ready for the national anthem.
A very good morning to all present here. I am Kritika Agarwal from grade 9. I am going to tell you all about Eid Al Adha. Eid Al Adha is celebrated by Islamic communities across the world. As per Islamic lunar calendar, the 10th day, Dhul Hijjah, is celebrated as Eid Al Adha. In India, it is popularly known as Bakra Eid. Sacrificing cattle is the main custom of this festival. People distribute the meat of the animals they sacrifice among people. This custom is popularly known as Qurbani. As per Islamic beliefs, Abraham sacrificed his own son from the command of God. He keeps on getting dreams on sacrificing his own son. Later, the Islam was replaced by a lamb. The Almighty remembering the sacrifice Abraham made, Eid Al Adha is celebrated. On this day, people offer Eid Al Adha prayers at the mosque. It takes place before Zuhr time and after sunrise. People visit each other and wish each other. People also invite non-Muslim communities to the Eid Al Adha fest. People celebrate this festival with great zeal. Thank you.
स्टार्ट
People invite also the non-communities to the Eid Al Adha fest. People celebrate this festival with great zeal. Thank you.
A pleasant morning to one and all present here. Today, Aditya Thakur from grade 7B is going to represent a poem on Eid Al Adha. Eid Al Adha is celebrated on 10th of Dhul Hijjah, where many come together with love and without a grudge. Family sacrifices an animal and feed the poor, and exchange greetings with the neighbor next door. We go to the mosque in our best clothes, but first we make sure that we are completely clean from our head to our toes. On this day, I am ever so grateful to be alive and living in this world that is so beautiful. Eid is full of blessings. Eid is always a blessed day, filled with joy and blessings, I must say. Eid Mubarak, everyone. Eid is a blessed day, full of joy and blessings, I must say. Eid Mubarak, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. The thought of the day is, it is not joy that makes us grateful. It is gratitude that makes us joyful. I repeat my thought. It is not joy that makes us grateful. It is gratitude that makes us joyful. Thank you.
Ya Nizam and circle.